Hello, I'm Steve Martin, president of Martin Industries. We manufacture the Martin Till line of planter attachments. Excited to show our fCrumbler second stage closing wheel for the first time at Louisville. On our second stage system, we have several wheel options here. And we've had a number of customers over the last couple of years since we released this ask for a type of rolling basket. They wanted to be able to leave the surface kind of uneven, to help prevent crusting and maybe divert water flow off of the seed trench. So we listened, and this is the first year we will be testing a limited number of these. It's a 4-inch wide, and when combined with our second stage, or you can add it to one of the early riser planters or ones that run the wide 6x12, what you can do with this total system, you adjust this cam so this wheel, whichever you choose, is limiting the depth of the closing wheels. Now this can be whosever brand you prefer. The second stage will add on to that, and you can limit how deep these go by setting that cam. Then your spring pressure or airbag pressure here is transferred to this, but it's still free to come up in the middle, so these can never pull this off the ground. This is always rolling on the ground. So it's going to be available in a limited number this spring, so if you're interested in trying some of those, give us a call, get with your dealer, and get some reserved right away. The customers that have requested this, one of them was a strip till customer. He wanted to leave, the ground was so mellow, he was afraid behind the 6x12 it was going to crust, because his words were it did too good a job. He would like to leave it kind of rough and the surface mulch some. So that's where this comes in. For depth control in front of a cupped closing wheel, I think it's going to make a good choice for a lot of people and leave the surface kind of uneven enough to help with crusting. Instead of this being round bar, which when it hits the ground it's kind of rounded and it doesn't break the soil as well as this laser cut square edge. So when it hits, we've got a sharp corner hitting, and reports from the field have been that this one does a better job of breaking up the top of the ground than a round bar type rolling basket. So we're looking for beta customers, that would like to test a few of them in other regions that we've not ran it yet. So real excited about this product, but it is going to be available in a limited supply.